Hello and welcome everybody. So how you can install Ubuntu 16.04 in VMware Workstation. So today we are going to install it. Okay, so let's open the VMware Workstation. Here you can see this is the home page in the VMware Workstation, and I have already created some machines. Okay, if you want to create a new virtual machine, you can click here or you can click here. Okay, and click on file and new virtual machine. So I'll click here, create a new virtual machine. Okay, so click on it and go with typical. Okay, I'll go with typical, so click on next. Here I'll install the operating system later. Okay, click next. And here I have selected Linux and Ubuntu 16.04 bit. Okay, and go with next. And here you can change the image name, machine name. Okay, so I'll give the machine name 16.04. Okay, and I'll change the location virtual VMware, create a new folder Ubuntu 16.04. Okay, I have created a new folder and click OK. And now you can see E drive VMware Ubuntu 16.4. Why I do that? Because if you want to make a copy of this machine or clone this machine, it will be very easy. Okay, and so that's it. Okay, click next. So you can maximize or minimize your disk space size from here. Okay, I'll give the 25 GB and stored virtual disk as a single file. Click on it, stored virtual disk as a single file, because I don't want multiple files in here. Okay, so click next. And now you can see the summary and go to the customized hardware. There is one more option we have to see. Okay, here you can manage the memory here. Okay, 4 GB, 8 GB, or whatever you want. Okay, and go with process. Okay, you can select the processor number of here. Okay, currently I have selected processor number 2 and number of core processor 1. Okay, and here new CD and DVD starter. Okay, so here you have to select use ISO image. If you do already have an ISO image, it's well and good. If you don't have downloaded an ISO image, you can download from my other video. Okay, so I have already created a video how you can download Ubuntu 16.4. Okay, so you can check out from there. Okay, I'll mention the link in the description. So click on browse and let's pick up our ISO. Here you can see Ubuntu 16.4. Okay, so select the ISO and open it. Okay, now you can see, and there is one more option, the network adapter. Okay, select the bridge. Okay, connect directly to the physical network. So this is really a good idea to make your machine in your physical network. Okay, so replicate physical network connection state. Okay, so close it and now just finish. Okay, so we have successfully created our machine, but we didn't complete our configuration. So let's go with installation configuration of Ubuntu 16.4. Okay, so click turn on this virtual machines. Okay, so let's turn on this virtual machine. And now we have two options here, try Ubuntu or install Ubuntu. So click on install Ubuntu. Okay, it asks me for download the some dependency or packages, so I'll go without them. Okay, so click continue, and here you can see erase disk and install Ubuntu. So I have earlier provided 25 GB disk space. Okay, so I'll erase and install Ubuntu. Okay, and click install. Okay, if you have something else, you can select other option just like something else. Okay, so click install now. When I click install now, it asks me for that it will erase everything in that disk space. Okay, so it is a virtual disk space, so I'll go with continue. And here it already selected the location Kolkata, and let's continue. Okay, so here you can see English, so I'll go with the default configuration, continue. Okay, so There's something else here because we do not able to see. Okay, actually there's something. It's a graphical issue or and now it asks for your username and password. So I'll give the username, provide password, and check this option login automatically. Okay, and go with continue, and now it will install the operating system. So just wait a little longer and now you can see the installation complete successfully. So click on restart now. Let's manually restart it. Okay, so you can see we have successfully installed Ubuntu 16.04. Okay, so that's it for today, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for being here. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon. Thank you.